Welcome to our latest video, the Zero Waste Movement, an enlightening exploration into an important environmental initiative. We will dive into the heart of the movement, understanding its philosophy, origins and influence around the globe. We aim to shed light on everyday practices like composting and DIY culture that well align with the movement's ideologies. Stay tuned as we also analyze the impact on our landfills and discuss the crucial connection with the circular economy. Lastly, we certainly won't shy away from addressing criticisms and challenges faced by this compelling movement. 1. Core philosophy at its heart. The Zero Waste Movement is about more than just trash. It's a way of rethinking our interactions with materials and nature. It's not simply about recycling, it's a comprehensive lifestyle aimed at minimizing waste in every aspect of life. By recognizing the impact our consumption habits have on the environment, zero waste advocates strive to reduce waste through innovative approaches. The ultimate goal is to ensure nothing ends up in landfills or incinerators, preventing pollution at its source. This philosophy invites people to redesign systems, products, and processes so that waste isn't created to begin with, leading us towards a healthier, sustainable planet. 2. The 5 R's of zero waste. Central to the movement are the 5 R's. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot. These principles act like a roadmap, guiding us towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Refusing unnecessary items, like single-use plastics, is the first step in cutting down waste. Reducing our consumption follows, urging us to buy less and focus on quality over quantity. Reusing stretches the life of products, while recycling helps recover materials. Lastly, composting, or rot, transforms organic waste into valuable soil. By following these steps, individuals can prioritize waste reduction while also supporting recycling and composting efforts. 3. Origins in industry. The zero waste concept first took root in the industrial sector. Businesses started seeking solutions to eliminate waste production, understanding that waste wasn't merely a byproduct but a product of inefficient design. By closing the loop on production processes, industries aimed to create products and packaging that produce no waste. Over time, this philosophy grew beyond factories and into households, municipalities, and communities around the world. Today, zero waste principles guide not only industry but also personal choices and public policies, transforming how we think about waste. 4. Packaging-free stores. Shopping without leaving behind a trail of packaging waste is a reality for those frequenting packaging-free stores. These innovative retail spaces allow customers to buy products without single-use packaging, by bringing their own reusable containers and bags. Items such as grains, oils, and draft cleaning supplies are often available in bulk. This approach minimizes waste and encourages mindful consumption. While it might require more planning, this system offers a way to significantly cut down on the plastic and cardboard routinely associated with shopping. As these stores grow in popularity, they symbolize a shift in consumer habits towards more sustainable options. 5. Impact on landfills. A key objective for many involved in the zero waste movement is to lessen the volume of waste sent to landfills. Implementing zero waste practices can dramatically reduce the waste generated by a household or community. Cities like San Francisco have taken bold steps toward zero waste through comprehensive waste diversion programs. By separating and composting organic waste, recycling materials, and reducing consumption, there's less overall trash that needs to be managed. Through these efforts, the movement aims not only to reclaim valuable space within cities but also to curb the environmental damage associated with landfill buildup. 6. Composting. Composting forms the backbone of the zero waste movement by dealing creatively with organic material. Food scraps and yard waste are valuable resources that, when composted, enrich the soil rather than clogging landfills. By composting, individuals and communities can prevent potential pollutants like methane gas, a potent greenhouse gas emitted by decomposing waste in landfills. This process, in turn, saves valuable space at landfills and contributes to healthier soil, which can be used for gardens and agriculture. Composting is more than a waste management strategy, it's a way to return resources to nature, enabling a sustainable cycle of life. 7. DIY and repair culture. A growing facet of the zero waste movement is the embrace of DIY and repair culture. Enthusiasts promote the idea of making, fixing, and repurposing items rather than discarding them. From crafting homemade cleaning products to sewing their own clothes, participators find numerous ways to extend the life of goods. Repair workshops and online tutorials abound, fostering community and sharing skills that help everyone cut down on waste. By reviving the practice of repair, we reduce the demand for new products, saving both resources and money. This hands-on culture celebrates creativity and resourcefulness as a pathway to sustainability. 8. Circular economy connection. Part of a broader reimagining of industrial systems, the zero-waste movement aligns closely with the principles of a circular economy. Unlike the traditional linear economy, which follows a path of take, make, dispose, the circular model seeks to design out waste by keeping products and materials in use for as long as possible. It emphasizes remanufacturing, refurbishing, and recycling, seeing discarded items not as waste but as resources. The circular economy moves us toward a system where waste is continuously looped back into the production cycle, supporting the zero-waste movement's goals and offering a sustainable alternative to current economic practices. 9. Global influence. International leaders in zero waste provide critical insights and examples of what is possible at larger scales. The small town of Kamakatsu in Japan has become famous for its commitment to producing no waste, boasting a strict waste sorting system. It's a potent demonstration of community-level dedication to reducing waste. Meanwhile, organizations like the Zero Waste International Alliance work tirelessly to promote zero-waste strategies worldwide. These efforts have helped create a blueprint that cities and individuals across the globe can follow, proving that concerted action can lead to profound change in waste management and environmental consciousness. 10. Criticisms and challenges. Despite its admirable goals, the zero-waste movement faces real-world challenges and critiques. Critics argue that achieving absolute zero waste is demanding in modern economies heavily reliant on disposable products. Additionally, the movement's practices may not be accessible to everyone, particularly those with limited time or financial means. A sustainable lifestyle can sometimes be seen as a privilege rather than an option for all. Nonetheless, by acknowledging these barriers, the movement can work towards inclusivity. Finding practical solutions that consider various socio-economic realities is crucial if the zero-waste movement is to gain more widespread acceptance and effectiveness.